Hi, Ma'am Janet. Today I'm gonna report my topics about thermodynamics. I'm from Group 6, Ma'am. Thermodynamics. As with catalysts, enzymes do not alter the position of the chemical equilibrium of the reaction. In the presence of an enzyme, the reaction runs in the same direction as it would without the enzyme, just more quickly. So as with catalyst daw, ang enzyme is wala siya naga-alter sa iyang posisyon tungod sa chemical equilibrium. Reaction sa chemical equilibrium. So sa presence sa enzyme, ang reaction niya nagadagan sa same direction sa kakusugon ug sa enzyme nga pagdagan niya. So there are four law of thermodynamics. The zeroth law: temperature, two systems in equilibrium with a third system are in thermal equilibrium with each other. And the first law is conservation of energy. Energy can change forms but is neither created nor destroyed. And the second law is entropy of an isolated system always increases, na ay hot o na ay cold. And the third law is entropy of a system approaches constant as temperature approaches absolute zero. So gikan siya sa kainit, pag naikainit makuan siya malanay, pero pag bugnaw is munay possibility na mugahi ang isa ka water mahimog ice. And let's move on to kinetics. Enzyme kinetics is the investigation of how enzymes bend substrates and turn them into products. The data used in kinetic analysis are commonly obtained from enzyme assays. So ang enzyme kinetics daw is siya sa naga-investigate sa nagaunsa pagbend ang enzymes nga para ginagamit niya ang data sa kinetic para mag-analyze sa enzyme assays. So mao na siya ang ginagamit. In 1913, Leonor Michaelis and Maud Leonora Mintin proposed a quantitative theory of enzyme kinetics, which is referred to as Michaelis-Menten kinetics. So gibase nila ang ilang gibuhat nga study sa ilang pangalan duha, which is ang enzyme kinetics. And third one is general principles. As a larger amounts of substrate are added to the reaction, the available enzymes binding sites become filled to the limit of Bmax. Beyond this limit, the enzyme is saturated with substrate and the reaction rate ceases to. So muna ni ang general principles is usa siya ka larger amount sa substrate nga naga dugang og reaction sa available enzyme para magbend sa Bmax beyond the limit sa isa ka enzyme. The reaction catalyzed by an enzyme uses exactly the same reactants and produces exactly the same products as the uncatalyzed reaction. Like other catalysts, enzymes do not alter the position of equilibrium between substrate and products. However, unlike uncatalyzed chemical reactions, enzyme catalyzed reactions display saturation kinetics. Enzyme assays. Enzyme assays are laboratory procedures that measure the rate of enzyme reactions. Since enzymes are not consumed by the reaction, they catalyze. Enzyme assays usually follow changes in concentration or either substrates or products to measure the rate of reaction. The most sensitive enzyme assays use lasers focused through a microscope to observe changes in a single enzyme's molecules as they catalyze the reactions. These measurements either use changes in the fluorescence of cofactors during the enzyme's reaction, mechanisms or fluorescent dyes added onto specific sites of the protein to report movements that occur during catalysis. And the last one is single substrate reaction. Enzymes with single substrate mechanisms include isomerase such as thiophosphate isomerase or biophosphoglycerate mutase, intramolecular lysis such as adenylate cyclase and hammerhead ribosome, and RNA lysis. However, some enzymes that only have a single substrate do not fall into this category of mechanisms. So ang single substrate reaction daw nga enzymes is usa siya nga ginatawag og single substrate tungod kay sa mechanisms nga naga-include og isomerases such as thiophosphate isomerase or biophosphoglycerate ginatawag siya ana para ma-identify nila ang RNA lysis. However, ang uban daw nga enzymes is only have a single substrate but wala siya fall into category or mechanisms. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.